Friends, today we are talking about fatigue. So now in this video we elaborate all about fatigue, its practical application as well as its definition. So before you know what is fatigue, you know static loading. Friends, if a component having static loading, then these components fail at a yield stress sigma y. If any component having static loading, then it will be fail at yield stress. And while in case of dynamic loading, if any component having dynamic loading, then it will be fail lower than the yield stress. So we need to know definitions of fatigue. Friends, when a component subjected to cyclic loading or dynamic loading, then it will be fail at a stress lower than the yield stress of a static loading. So this is a definition of fatigue. Friends, fatigue failure mechanism having three stages, processes. The first one is crack formation. Friend, this component having higher stress concentration at these free surface, and here crack formation will be happen. Now the second stage is crack growth. From stress concentration, crack growth will be happen like this. Now in the third stage, rupture of this component. After stress concentration, some crack will be happen here, and now in this second stage, crack growth rapidly, and after that these component rupture completely. So friends, you need to know what is cyclic stress. This vertical axis shows stress and horizontal axis shows times. So from zero line to upward direction, the stress considered as plus, and from zero line to downward direction, stress is considered as negative. So this is a cyclic loading. Also it is known as sinusoidal cycle, and this is a mean of the stress sigma m equals to 0. It means sigma mean, and this value is known as sigma a. It will be also denoted by S. Sigma a equals to S equals to amplitude. It will be called amplitude, and difference between sigma max minus sigma mean is known as range of the stress. So the stress amplitude sigma a or S equals to sigma max minus sigma mean divided by 2, and it will be also known as range, stress range divided by 2, and stress range sigma r equals to sigma max minus sigma mean, and mean of this stress here sigma m equals to what? 0 or 0 for complete cyclic loading, or it will be known as sigma max plus sigma mean divided by 2. Friends, for stress ratio, you know sigma mean is compressive in nature, so negative sign will be applicable for this. So stress ratio equals to sigma mean divided by sigma max equals to -1. For complete reverse cycle, these criteria will be follow. Sigma mean equals to negative nature of sigma max. So if these cases follow, then the cycle will be happen completely reversed cycle. So this is a definition of fatigue and its theory, as well as in next video we talking about Ascent curve and its applications.